In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Monzo card abroad for fee-free spending and smart cash withdrawals. Let's start with the basics. You can use your Monzo card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, which covers the vast majority of shops, restaurants, hotels, and online payments worldwide. When you pay abroad, Monzo uses the real exchange rate, so you're not paying hidden markups just to use your card. That means your money goes further without you having to do any currency math. At the checkout or on an ATM, you'll often be asked whether you want to pay in your home currency or the local currency. Always choose to pay in the local currency. This helps you avoid something called dynamic currency conversion, where the merchant or ATM sets their own exchange rate. Those rates are usually worse than the real exchange rate, and that difference can add up quickly over a trip. If the screen shows an option like pay in GBP versus pay in EUR, USD, or another local currency, pick the local option for the best value. If you need cash, here's how withdrawals work. Within the European Economic Area, cash withdrawals are free. That makes picking up euros or other local EEA currencies straightforward and cost-effective. If you're traveling outside the EEA, you can withdraw up to £200 every 30 days for free. After you hit that allowance, fees may apply. It's a good idea to plan how much cash you really need and lean on card payments where possible to make the most of that free limit. Also remember that some ATMs might charge their own fee, regardless of your bank. If you see a warning on the screen about an extra charge, you can cancel and try another machine nearby. One of the best parts of using Monzo abroad is the instant visibility. Your spending and withdrawals appear right away in the Monzo app, so you can track everything in real time. You'll see how much you spent in the local currency and what that equals in pounds, helping you keep a clear eye on your budget. If something looks unfamiliar, tap the transaction to see details like the merchant name and location, which can help you recognize legitimate charges quickly. That's it. Use your card wherever MasterCard is accepted. Always choose the local currency when prompted. Enjoy free ATM withdrawals in the EEA and make the most of your £200 fee-free limit every 30 days outside the EEA. With real-time tracking in the app, you'll travel with confidence and clarity.